Text summarization uses natural language processing to create a subset of the original body of text that represents the most important, or based on the objective of the project, the most relevant information within the original content. I've got a text summarization project set up in WebChartAI, and I'm going to quickly walk through the project setup and workflow. If you'd like to see a project set up from scratch, please watch the intent analysis video on this same web page or the main demo video on our home page. So as you can see on screen, I'm in my prompts area, and we've created the project already, and after creating a project, a prompt gets set up. And in this case, for this particular text summarization project, I've added my prompt, which you see above, and then I chose the modality or presentation format that the annotators will see in the workflow. And in this case, out of all the various formats that we offer, this type of project calls for a single text box, and you see it on display below in the preview pane. I'll save this prompt. In the folders view, you see all of the projects that we've got set up in our fictitious account, one of which is the 2020 campaign text summarization project. And in this project, the fictitious client is a political action committee. They want a daily synopsis of the coverage being done by all major news outlets related to the 2020 campaign. And so what we're doing with this project is annotating the training data that the NLP engine needs in order to create automation for text summarization. And what we see on screen in my pending folder are all the raw news articles that we've collected to be used for the training data. So let's take a look at the WebChartAI workflow for text summarization. I'll log in as one of the annotators assigned to this project. When I do, I'm brought into my annotator. My prompt that we saw on our settings screen now appears at the top. The article for summarization appears below it. And then in the place of a binary or a checkbox workflow or dropdown, I'm given a free text box to do my summarization. In the top left corner, I see the instructions related to the project, which provide me as an annotator with the specifics on how the text summarization project needs to be done. Once that summarization is done, I press the Submit button to move on to my next article. That's a quick look at the text summarization workflow in WebChartAI.